So next up we have this really nice VW Polo Match Edition. This is a 2017 specification and supplied in black. As you would expect, it's got front parking sensors. There's rather fetching alloy wheels on there as well. Colour coordinated wing mirror and door handles. The wing mirrors being heated and also electric as well. So let's take a look inside our VW Polo. So you'll see, first of all, the mileage is incredibly low at just over 18,900 miles. In front of that, we've got our leather-coated multifunction steering wheel. So it enables you to control cruise control, the telephone, and a whole host of features for your multifunction computer. So in the centre, you'll see you have the buttons at the top there for your front parking sensors, also for the start-stop control. And under there is your digital radio. So the digital radio, of course, gives you full access to media, so be that through Bluetooth or through an SD card. And also there's Bluetooth in there as well. So looking further down, you'll see you've got the air conditioning control, and as we go into the center console just in front of the handbrake, some really useful storage space there, cup holders, also somewhere to keep a phone as well. And the seats themselves, so VW have been doing seats like this now for a great many years with this VW check design on, which is really rather nice. So that's our lovely little black VW Polo. If you have an interest, please give our sales team a call at Pershore Motor Sales. We'd very much like to see you.